Hi, my name is Christian, and today we're going to be learning how to edit printed reports in SalesPad Cloud using the Report Designer. The Report Designer will allow you to customize the content and design of your printed sales documents. The Report Designer is located in the Settings menu under the Reports column. You can create a brand new report by selecting the plus button at the top of the list of current reports. For this tutorial, we will be editing one of the default forms that is found in SalesPad Cloud. Let's take a look at our default invoice. We have created these default reports to show some of the most common information that you would see in a printed invoice. Let's start by expanding the designer so that we have a better view of all of our available tools. You can do this by clicking the small arrow directly above the New Report button. You will see that along the left side of this designer, there are a handful of fields that can be added to a report. Hovering over these fields will give you an idea of what each field will do. On the right side of the designer, you have the tools needed to customize the data that is displayed in these fields, as well as the ability to customize the look of the data shown. Let's start by looking at the current printed form. I'm going to go into one of my current invoices and take a look at the print preview. Once the print preview screen loads, I'm going to click on the View button associated with the default invoice form. Okay, this all looks good, but I want to add my company logo to the top of the form. Let's click on the Edit button that is associated with the default invoice form. Now that we can see the Report Designer tool, we will add a new picture field by dragging the field from the left onto the actual report. Now that we have our picture field, I can see that on the right-hand side there are some new options. Let's select Image and select our company logo. Now we can see the company logo on the designer, but we will want to get everything sized and aligned properly. To do this, we will go to our tools on the right-hand side, and in the Sizing drop-down, select Stretch Image. This will make the image stretch to fit the dimensions of the field. And now we can resize this image freely and align it. Now I'm going to save the changes that I've made. This is very important when making changes to your printed form, as leaving before you save the changes made will cause you to lose any work that has been done to the report. Now let's take a look at the print preview and make sure that everything looks right. Okay, everything here looks good, but let's say that I want to add the customer PO field onto the printed report. I want to add this information directly below the Created By field. And since the Created By field is already a table, I won't need to add a new text field onto the designer. I can simply select the cell, and in the Actions drawer to the right, I will see a few new options. Now let's find the option for Insert Row Below. After selecting it, I can see that both of the fields that I need are already sized and added. Now I just need to get the information in order. I'll start by selecting the field on the left, and I'll go over to the Actions drawer and fill in the text that I want to display in this field. After the text has been entered, I will want to make sure that it follows the same format as the rest of the information in these fields. So I'll scroll down in the Actions drawer and select Appearance. From here, I will just need to change the text alignment to match the other fields. Since everything else has the text alignment middle center, I'll want to choose the same text alignment for the customer PO field. Now I want to enter the information that I would like to display on the right side. So I'll start by selecting the right field, and then navigating to the data binding selection. In this field, we will be able to select any information that we would like to display on our printed form. Since this is the customer PO, we will start by selecting our dataset, which is the sales document dataset. Clicking on the arrow to the left of the dataset will reveal all of the information that is inside. And since we are looking for a field that is associated with the header of the sales document, we will want to select Sales Document. From here, we will see that there are more folders that have more information, but we will actually be looking just below these folders. And this is where we'll find our binding for Customer PO. After we've selected this binding, we'll want to make sure that the text alignment matches the rest of the information in this table. Now that we have everything else set up, let's save our changes. And go look at the print preview. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create reports in SalesPad Cloud. If you have any further questions on reporting or any other function of SalesPad Cloud, please visit salespad.net/support.